which I would like to give to the new IFT participants is think differently, think out of the box, and follow your idea in the field which you are most passionate about.
Team unity, the team should be one. The second is taking the competition very seriously, and third is obviously putting your everything into it and working hard.
The important thing in this competition is to be attentive all the time. Always note down things, and whatever they say, note it down, as it is very important.
Your idea should be innovative and you should believe in your idea. And the second is how you package the idea, how you present it in front of the jury, how your team is wearing color coordinated clothes on the finale, how you take suggestions during the boot camp. All this is the packaging of the idea.
Have to open your idea. Never quit. Be open to idea.
Managing your schedule. So it is important to plan in advance, make a timetable of what you're going to do when, and think beforehand.